If you want to learn how to save clips in the Nest app, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can do this. Hey smart home enthusiast, my name's Kyle Wright and I'm your smart home butler, here to help you make a smarter home. So in order to do this, we're going to have to go into the app. There's actually 3 different ways to save a clip in the Nest app. I am going to show you all 3 of those. So let's first find a time earlier today when there was somebody at my door. Here's when the Amazon guy came to deliver my package. And I'm going to hit new clip. Now, automatically hitting new clip, it's going to go ahead and just create a clip for you using the data that it has. So here in this clip, it created a 38-second clip for me. And I can hit save to camera roll, or I can share via a link. If you're wanting to get precise timings of a start and an end on a clip in the Nest app, the easiest way to do that is to find the clip that you want to record, and you have to press and hold the new clip button, and it will begin recording everything that it sees while you're holding your finger down. So now that he has walked away, I can easily take my finger off of the new clip button and it'll create a new clip for me in the Nest app. Once this is done, if I hit play, now I can see that clip from the point that I pushed and started new clip to the point that I let go of my finger. This is a really great feature for getting precise timing. If you don't want to go that route and you want to just record a particular motion event or a sound event that your camera picked up, the third way to save a clip is to click on the little hamburger menu here, and it's going to turn your timeline into a list of events. And what I'm going to do is click on the event that I want to record and slide over to the left and hit save. And now that is going to add that event as a clip in my phone. If you want to watch more of my Nest videos, you can check out my playlist here. Also, if you are interested in some smart home basics, I'm going to put a playlist here below that you can also check out. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then you can do that here. And we hope to see you in future videos. Have a wonderful day.